Are you struggling with snoring or waking up feeling tired? Watch this, because I'm about to change your sleep game. If you've never seen this sleep tape before, let me tell you why you need it. This is the ZZSleep Tape, and this is the secret to better, more restful sleep. It's made from soft, medical-grade, hypoallergenic material, so it's gentle on your skin and ensures you breathe easily through your nose all night long. The latex-free design means it's perfect for sensitive skin. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to refreshed mornings. This little tape makes a big difference in the quality of your sleep. These are flying off the shelf, so tap that orange cart to buy yours now while they're still on sale. Don't miss out.